My name is Nilufer Alaybeyoglu. I work for a company, PPI Apparel Inc., based in New York. It's intimate wear and sleepwear apparel and accessories company. It's about 20-year-old company. We are in V14, PLM, we're not using ERP, and CM. The biggest challenge that we have multiple locations in China, Hong Kong, New York. The visibility and information flow was an important point. And the next most important thing was the accountability and timetables. We didn't have calendars. We did have a PLM system, but it was very inadequate, and we missed the calendars. The practicality of NGC offers were not there. So that's why we actually migrated from one system into another. Since we switched the solution, we had the possibility of running through our process flow from beginning to the end to end. So we found our gaps. We reanalyzed the whole thing while we were adapting into system. System also gave us some kind of new discipline on tying the processes and collecting information about actually what we were doing. So brought in discipline and the visibility that we were looking for, and plus we have our calendars now, so we have the timeline. That's a great benefit. I did work for software companies. I was a project manager for like a little more than a decade, so I know what's involved. And I know how hard programming things, I know how hard making customers happy. NGC hit the problems at the first meeting. Anything that I asked, it was there. The support, the flexibility of the system. So when you put the good program and great people behind, it's a win-win. About the NGC, I don't know what else I can say. It's a great software and with great people. But about, in general, product life cycle management is an important thing which is neglected on most of the companies. I mean, look, some of your big customers that are just getting them, which is amazing. It's 100-something-year-old company and they're just getting into it. So the necessity is there, but it's not recognized by management. I guess for people, I'm CIO, so if you're in technologies and if you're trying to bring your company to the next level, you have to start from the beginning. PLM is not an accessory, it's a necessity. So I would encourage people to analyze their needs and convince their management or the owners that really adopting and starting from the beginning with a good software.